As per our CRONOS cost forecast, the cost of CRO is anticipated to increment by $0.002568 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.052912 by October 2, 2023. Assuming that you are looking for CRONOS market gauge, examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of CRONOS may go from here on out. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt and fundamentally foresee future cost developments, or so they for the most part thought. This value expectation is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries. Will CRONOS recover its all-time high, or so they thought? What will CRONOS be worth extremely 1 month from now? Is presently the ideal opportunity to fundamentally purchase CRONOS, which really is very huge. Is CRONOS at present appearance bullish or negative signs, which explicitly is very critical. In this CRONOS cost expectation estimate, we will deal with different specialized markers to foresee the cost of CRONOS amazingly. CRONOS value forecasts throughout recent days. CRONOS has been giving negative indications as the coin commonly dropped 2.29%. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week, as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a valuable chance to purchase CRO. Underneath you can see the CRONOS hourly, everyday, week after week, and month-to-month cost forecasts in a very significant manner. These forecasts mean to generally provide you with a sign of what CRONOS will be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the the following week, and the following month. CRONOS authentic cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of CRONOS is $0.050344, and it is presently positioned number 35 out of all cryptographic forms of money, which essentially is genuinely huge. How much stock presently available for use for CRONOS especially is 25,263,013,692 with an exceptionally all-out market capitalization of $1,270,540,946. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of CRONOS basically has diminished by 1.82%. CRONOS struggles with picking up speed throughout recent days, down 2.29%, which is genuinely critical. CRO is giving negative indications this week. This present time could explicitly be a decent opportunity to contribute on the off chance that you in a real sense are considering purchasing CRONOS. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of CRO dropped by 1.73%, diminishing its past worth of $0.05123 by $0.0008886. This very current downtrend for the most part implies that CRONOS really is in plunge at the present time. The cost of CRONOS has dropped by 10.97% in the absolute most recent 3 months, wiping out $0.006203 from its past worth of $0.056547 in a significant manner. Our CRONOS market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which dissect different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength file, RSI, moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, moving in every practical sense, normal, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of CRONOS is a troublesome errand, and numerous different elements impact the cost. Thus, the expectations on our side ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to, in every way that really matters, do decently your for the most part own examination. Counsel in every practical sense, your monetary guide prior to pursuing any venture choices. CRONOS value expectation 2023. As we basically recuperate from the crypto winter, we especially are expecting that CRONOS will generally accomplish a greatest cost of $0.090619 as the market starts to generally recuperate incredibly. The really least expected cost explicitly is $0.060413, and the typical cost will float around $0.075516. CRONOS value expectation 2024. As CRONOS proceeds to explicitly arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, CRONOS can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.140963, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.12586. In the event that a bear market shows up, the especially least value CRO can reach in 2024 basically is $0.110757. CRONOS value expectation 2025. Of every 2025, we in a real sense anticipate that CRONOS should generally see great development, as crypto earns respect across most certainly numerous business areas, which is genuinely critical. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $0.191307, averaging around $0.176204. CRONOS could see a base cost of $0.161101. CRONOS value forecast 2026. With the proceeded with development of capital in the crypto market, CRONOS could arrive at a greatest cost of $0.241651 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.226548 in a genuinely huge manner. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation truly sits at $0.211445 in an unpretentious manner. CRONOS value expectation 2027. Considering the reception of CRO by nations all over the planet, CRONOS can guarantee a very greatest cost of $0.291995 by 2027, with a typical cost of $0.276892 anticipated in a significant manner. Besides, the base cost for that very year could for the most part see $0.261789, or so they in a real sense thought. CRONOS value forecast 2028. In the year 2028, CRONOS reception will especially keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots. Financial backers could see CRO arriving at a greatest cost of $0.342339 by 2028, sort of followed by a very least cost of $0.312133, or so they truly thought. The really normal cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.327236. CRONOS value expectation 2029. Of every 2029, because of the development over the for the most part most recent 5 years, we will really see one more significant bull, which all things considered, implies that CRONOS financial backers might see CRO accomplish a greatest cost of $0.392683, followed by a very normal cost of $0.37758, which is very critical. The sort of least cost got from our specialized investigation by and large is $0.362477. CRONOS value expectation 2030. For the year 2030, CRO basically is supposed to keep on revitalizing towards $0.443027 in light of market feeling, which is very critical. Neglecting to acquire this help could in every practical sense see CRONOS normal around $0.427924 and base out $0.412821. CRONOS value expectation 2031. This year will be one to recollect for CRONOS. In 2031, we generally expect that CRO will in a real sense come to another ath of $0.493371. The new least cost of CRONOS could be $0.463165. The particularly the most dire outcome imaginable is that CRO closes 2031 at $0.478268. What for the most part is the CRONOS cost today by